In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import data into HubSpot. We'll walk through a quick import using contacts, and the same approach works for companies, deals, and other objects. Start on your HubSpot homepage. From the main navigation, open Contacts, since that's our example today. In the top right, choose Add Contacts, then select Import. On the Import hub, click Import Data to begin a new upload. For a fast, guided experience, pick Quick Import for Contacts. This option is perfect when you're bringing in a single spreadsheet and don't need to set up complex relationships. Next, choose a file from your computer. HubSpot accepts .csv, .xlsx, and .xls files, so make sure your spreadsheet is saved in one of those formats before you continue. A few preparation tips help everything go smoothly. Include a header row with clear column names like first name, last name, and email. Avoid merged cells, formulas, or hidden columns. Keep one record per row, and make sure data types are consistent. Email is the most reliable, unique identifier for contacts, so having that column helps HubSpot prevent duplicates and align updates with existing records. After selecting your file, click Next to upload it. HubSpot will scan your columns and auto-map them to contact properties. Take a moment to review what it detected on screen. If a column doesn't match, choose the correct property so data lands in the right place. Pay special attention to fields like email, phone number, and date properties, making sure formats match what HubSpot expects. When the mappings look correct, click Next again to proceed. You'll see a quick summary before finalizing. This is a good spot to confirm the object type and any options shown, especially if some rows will update existing contacts. If you're working with marketing status or lifecycle stages, double-check that the mapped properties reflect your intended outcomes. When prompted, tick the confirmation checkbox to acknowledge the import details and confirm that you have permission to add or update this data. This safeguards data quality and compliance. Finally, click Finish Import. HubSpot will begin processing and show you a status page. Large files may take a few minutes. You can keep working elsewhere and return to the import history to review results. If any rows fail, download the error file, fix the highlighted issues, and re-import just those corrected rows. And remember, if you need to import companies or deals next, the flow is the same. Start from that object's page and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.